I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Samsung TV and grabbing the remote. Once done, press Home to open Smart Hub. Make sure you are signed into your Samsung account and that the TV is connected to Wi-Fi because the screensaver options and images may sync from cloud services. If the TV prompts for a firmware update, install it now to avoid missing settings. Then navigate to Settings and select General to locate screensaver controls. This is where the setup begins. You should now be in the screensaver menu. Choose the type that fits your space. Pick photos to use USB or Samsung Cloud, art for gallery images, or clock for a minimalist look, and preview your selection so you know how it will appear. Make sure to set the source, USB stick, mobile app casting, or Samsung Cloud, and enable shuffle if you want rotation. Also set the activation delay and whether the saver runs while apps are idle, so it behaves the way you expect. Apply the chosen screensaver and then test it by letting the TV idle for the set delay. You should see the preview turn into the active saver. If images don't appear, make sure a USB drive is formatted correctly, FAT32 or NTFS, and that files are in supported formats, or verify Samsung Cloud Sync and app permissions. If it still fails, reboot the TV, reinsert the USB, or reauthorize the mobile app. One common fix that resolves most startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.